Hello everyone, welcome to Hasan EduTech English channel. Today I will learn about the divide any number by a two digits number. As previous lecture we had already learned about the divide any number by a single digit number. So today I will deal divide any number by a two digit number. Okay, for this we have required some table. As you will see here, you can see the table from 11 to 20 here. If you do not have, please note down this one. Pause this video and note down this table. This table will require for double digit division. Okay, if you don't have also up to 2 to 10 table, if you do not have, please note down also this. Okay, pause this video and note down this one. Also again pause this video and note down this one. Okay, I will use this table to divide any number by a two digit number. Okay, let's example. Suppose I have a number 925. We have to divide this number by a 13. 13 here is the two digit number, and we have to divide 925 by 13. Okay, in the previous lecture we had deal about the single digit division. For that we have learned what if here is single digit number, so I will take firstly here also single digit number. Now here is the double digit number, so I will take firstly two digit number here. So I will take 92 firstly. I will count 13 up to 92 or below 92. So here is the table. I will teach you how this table work for division. Like in the here we have to divide by 13. Okay, we have to divide by 13. So 13 table is here 13, and we have to count till 92 or below 92. Here is the 91 in the table of 13. Here is the 91. We have to go up to 91. How much 13 times goes to 91? 31, 13, 32, 26, up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. 13 into 7 times. How much will be? Here is the 91. Here will be what? 91. Write down here is 91. Now subtract it from upper number. Upper number here is the 2 minus 1 will be 1. 9 minus 9 will be 0. After subtracting we have to note down from this number from next number. Next number is 5. Let's note down 5. Now 13 count till 15 or below 15. Let's 13 series here. 13 is the 26 is greater than 15. So 1 times I will count 13. So now subtract it. 5 minus 3 will be 2. 1 minus 1 will be 0. After subtracting we have to note down our next number. Here is there is no next number, so our answer is over. I will get question is 71 and the remainder is 2. Okay, so let's take another example. Like another example, suppose I will take I will divide by 12 and divide to 4, 7, 3, 0. Now we have to divide 4730 by a two digit number is 12. Here is the our 12 series is here. 12 1 20 up to 122. 120. Here is the table of 12. Okay, now I will use this table to solve this division question. Okay, now here is the 2 digit number, so I will take firstly 2 digit number here. Here is the 47. Now we have to count 12 up to 47, so let's see in the 12 table. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48. 48 is greater than 47, so we have to just count up to 36. 3 times 1 2 3, 3 times will be our what? 36. 3 times will be what? 36. 3 times will be 36. Now subtract it from above number to below number. 7 minus 6 will be 1. 4 minus 3 will be 1. After subtracting, we have to write down our next number to here. Next number is 3. Write down here is 3. Now we have to count 12 up to 113. Let's see in the 12 table. 113, 108, 120. 113, 113 is the in between 108 and 120. Can you see here in this table? Yes, you can see 108, 108 and 120. Here in between is 113. So we have to count up to 108. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times. 9 times we have to count, and I will get after counting of 9, 12 up to 9 times 108. 108. Okay, now we have to subtract above number to below number. 3 minus 8. I can't subtract big number by smaller number, so we have to take a carry from neighbor number. Neighbor number is 1. Now I will take carry 1 from this number to 3. 3 will become a 13 after taking 1 carry, and this one become a 0. 13 minus 8 will be 5. Here this 1 becomes 0. 0 minus 0 will be again 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. After subtracting, we have to write down our next number. Here is the next number is 0. So write down here is 0. Now we have to count 12 up to 50 or below 50. Here is the, let's see the 50 or below 50. Here is the 48, 60. Between them lies 50. So we have to count up to 48. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48. How many times? 4 times. 4 times, and how much will be after 4 times count? 48. So write down here is 48. Now subtract it. 0 minus 8. I can't subtract bigger number by a smaller number, so 0 will take 1 carry from 5, and 5 will become a 4, and 0 will become a 10. 10 minus 8 will be 2, and 4 minus 4 will be 0. After subtracting, now I will write down our next number. Here is the next number, so here is the no next number, so our answer is over. What we have get question is 394 with remainder is 2. Is it do you understand what I have solved here? I have solved 2 questions. Is it nothing is difficult? So write down this 2 examples. Pause this video and write down. Okay, you have noted. Now let's take another example. So let's take a bigger number, like divide by 16 and divide to 14371. This is a bigger number, so let's solve it. Here is the 16, and here is the 2 digit number. So I will take here also, firstly I will take a 2 digit number. So 16 count up to 14 or below 14. Where is the table of 16? Here is the table of 16. 16, I will count 16 one times will be 16 is greater than 14. So I count one time. So I will count 0 times. I will count 0 times. 16 zeros are 0. 16 zeros are 0. Now subtract it. 4 minus 4 minus 0 will be 4. 1 minus nothing will be 1. Now after subtracting we have to write down our next number. Next number is 3 here. I have note down here is 3. Now count 16 up. Now count 16 in the table up to 143. Here is the table of 16 and 143. 143. Here is the 144 is greater than 143. 143. Here is the 144 and here is the 143. So we have to count 143 or below 143. Means 143 lies between here. So I will count up to 128. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So 8 times count, and after 8 times count, so what will get? 128. 16 8 is 128. Now subtract it. 3 minus 8, I can't subtract. So 3 will get a 1 carry from 4. 4 will get 4 will become a 3, and 3 will become a 13. 13 minus 8 will be 5, and 3 minus 2 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. After subtracting we have to write down our next number. Next number is 7 here. Write down here is 7. Now count 16 up to 157. Here is the table of 16. 157, 160, 144. 157 lies is here also. So we have to count up to 144. How many times? It will be 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. After counting 9 times, I will get a 144. 144. Now subtract it. 7 minus 4 will be 3. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. After subtracting, we have to write down our next number. Here is the next number is 1. Write down 1 is here. Here I have get 131. Count 16 up to 131. Let's see in the table of 16. 16, 131, 128, 144, 128. 131 will be lies here also. So we have to count up to 128. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times I will count. I will count 8 times. What I will get? 128. 128. Now subtract it. 1 minus 8 I can't subtract, so 1 will get 1 carry from 3. 3 will become a 2, and 1 will get 1 will become a 11. 11 minus 3, 8 will be 3, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. 1 minus 1 will be 0. After subtracting, we have to write down our next number. Here is none of next number left. So our answer is over. What I have get a question is 898 with remainder is 3. So you have clear this example also. So take another example, will be clear. Will be your all doubt clear here. So let's take another example like 17. So 17 I will divide 217. Wait. Here is the another example. This is a good question, and your all kind of doubt will be clear from this question. So here is the table of here is the division by a 17. So where is the table of 17? Uh, can you see the table of 17? Yes, here is the table of 17. We have to subtract by 17. Here is the 17 is 2 digit number, so I will take a 2 digit number here. Here is the 2 digit number, so count 17 up to 68 or below 68. 17 1 is 17, 17 2 is 34, 17 3 is 51, 17 4 is 50, 68. 17 4 is 17 4 times will be our 68. Now subtract it. 8 minus 0 will be 0. 6 minus 6 minus 6 will be 0. After subtracting, we have to write down our next number. Here is the next number is 0. Write down here is the next number is 0. Now we have to count 17 up to 0 or below 0. So 17 0 is a 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. After subtracting, we have to write down our next number. Next number is 5. 5 is here, also write down here 5. Now count 17 up to 5 or below 5. So 17 1 is 17 is greater than 5. So 17 0 is a 0. After count 0 times, I will get 0. So 5 minus 0 will be 5. After subtracting, we have to write down our next number. Here is the next number, so here is none of next number, so our answer is over. What I have get, our question is 400 with remainder is 5. This is also a good question. You have to solve by a by this kind of question. Many of teachers or 90% is then will solve wrongly with this kind of question. So you have to write down all kind of question concept by dividing a single digit number or double digit number. So write down this 2 examples also if you want to note down. If you have understand all 4 examples, then subscribe my channels and like, share my videos and spread our education community. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.